Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm glad to see you all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dede Tri Kurniawan, and I am from PGSD Campus UPI di Cibiru. In this moment, I will present my paper about digital portfolio as an alternative solution for science learning assessment in elementary school after the COVID-19 pandemic. As introduction, we know that there is a problem justification with the use of standardized tests which are considered unable to display student overall abilities. Then an assessment solution in the form is a portfolio can be chosen to overcome this. Supported by the characteristic of elementary school learning, with a thematic system, portfolio assessment can be used as solution to be able to describe student profile in participating in an integrated learning process. The COVID-19 pandemic familiarized teachers and students with interacting with the learning technology. Then a transformation will be carried out which has been using the usual portfolio to become a digital portfolio with 4 LMS trying to develop this digital portfolio assessment technique. The LMS used for this research are Google Classroom, Seesaw, Dojo Class, and Edmodo. This research and development using the development model of Hanafin and Peck. This development model consists of the several phases, namely the need assessment phase, the design phase, the development and implementation phase. In this model, assessment and revision need to be carried out of the each phase. The Hanafin and Peck development model is more product-oriented model, so it is suitable to be used development student assessment design the elementary school level with the portfolio technique that are integrated with a digital technology. In need analysis, have a step the learning outcome, concept, and materials, use the ICT and limit the face-to-face rating. In the development process, there is have a step to digital portfolio design, digital portfolio with Google Classroom, digital portfolio with Edmodo and Seesaw, digital portfolio with ClassDojo, and digital portfolio assessment, design the feasibility instrument. In the development and the implementation, to know the feasibility of this product, we develop the development and implementation evaluation to expert validity, media expert validation, content expert validation, product revision, and limited trial. And we have a product about the design assessment of the student at the elementary school level with the portfolio technique that are integrated with digital technology. As a result of this research, starting from the development of assignment and evaluation that will be portfolio according to the characteristic of elementary school learning, developed with the 4 different LMS with different theme and topic elementary school learning as shown in the table. We have the class 5 to 10 healthy and food. In this, the field the portfolio assessment rubric and develop the portfolio in the learning management system app is Seesaw, Google Classroom, Dojo, Edmodo is different term and class, and the field the portfolio assessment and rubric is different one and another part. As an example, let's look the Seesaw LMS equipped with portfolio assessment the strategy. This is an example for grade 5 elementary school with the theme of healthy food, starting with the presentation of material by the teacher to deliver this material. The first assignment, the first student product task in the learning activity to invite students to learn about the digestive system in animal by making poster of the stomach ruminant animals. Student assignment can be uploaded this Seesaw LMS learning management system. A rubric is also prepared to the student can be find out how to the ideal criteria for poster expected by teacher. The second, make a portfolio of healthy food and upload it to learning management system Seesaw. And rubric has also provide how to see, access the photo of daily food served by student. The third is making presentation of the flow and process descriptive track and human uploading it to the LMS CISO, and the rubric has also been provided on how to access this, which is done by student. And the fourth, make student write essay about digestive disorder in human and upload to the LMS CISO, and the rubric has also been provided how to access, which is done by student. And the last one, and the lastly, the 5 students made the video calling for healthy food as a campaign to care about nutrition and the good healthy balanced food, and upload it the LMS CISO, and the rubric has also been provided on how to access this, which is done by student. The last part, we give a list to integrate how to assess the part of the element in task and evaluation student with the portfolio technique, and it's first integrated with an LMS, so student and parents will know about the process learning in student do. The teacher and parents will be monitor how to student to make tasks and the evaluation in this term. The feasibility of the digital portfolio product in this for LMS we check by material expert lecture, learning evaluation expert, and media expert who provided view in the portfolio content, the criteria rubric of each performance and product task, the presentation of the portfolio, and grammar. In general, for 3 experts give the good response to this product, but need to consider to reverse a more specific, clear rubric for the certain task, process, and product. The assessment aspect let fill the portfolio content, the assessment criteria, portfolio presentation form, and the grammar to in the portfolio task. For the conclusion, let me convey. Based on the result of research development of digital portfolio assessment for elementary school science learning in the form of the assessment from media expert, material expert, evaluation expert, linguist, and lecture expert, and student as well with teacher response, it can be concluded that digital portfolio assessment for the school science learning elementary school are declared feasible and effective to be used in the elementary school learning process after the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, thank you for your attention. Hapunten hatur nuhun, wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.